if everyone's learning AI, who's actually using it to make money? I'm not just starting today. I'm proving that humans always underestimate exponential growth. 220 emails for our automatically email created. This is whole customized. Everyone's stuck in learning mode, buying AI courses and watching tutorials, planning the perfect business. But here's what actually works. Stop learning, start selling. So today I'm building an AI service around my execution squad concept and selling it to 300 people in real time. Hypothesis is simple. Entrepreneurs will pay for a system that forces them to execute instead of just learning. Ideas are worthless. Execution is everything. Welcome to the anti-learning movement. I'm not just guessing who needs this. I'm finding people who are already suffering from the exact problem I solved. I was AI service providers stuck in building mode. So I identify this as entrepreneur. They want to become an entrepreneurs, but never execute anymore. So we focus on this target, AI service providers stuck in the building mode, people who have AI tools but can't monetize them, and entrepreneurs consuming contents but never executing. For example, they consume Nick contents and Greg contents and David's contents and Nate contents. Here's my favorite target, especially Nate Herc followers. They enjoy just an N8N system, not to build the business flow. So Nate contents and Liam Otley's contents. They consume everything this. Okay, I don't want to blame their contents, but they are good educator, not a good businessman. They do a content business, not an AI system or automation business. Inside their community, these people exist. Inside their community will extract the people to our community. And entrepreneurs exist everywhere and they earn in pain right now. So where do I find this kind of people? Instead of consuming what people want, I go where they complained. Reddit, school community, or LinkedIn. Anywhere people admit their real problem. And in this video, I'm going to show you only one strategy. Extract school community. For example, this is school tech category ranking right now. AI Automation Society and AI Automation Agency Hub is top ranker. Even school native community, AIS, better than performance right now. And I'm going to see these days trend, like AI automation, AI creates this. What is this? Okay, got it. Right, with AI automation. So we already know AI automation is very saturated market. And I don't want to focus that automation system because my target already know AI strategy, but they don't act like a businessman. They choose become a builder, not a sales guy, not a business guy. So we'll fix this problem. When I get into AI Automation Society, I want to find like no customers or how to sell AI services. So yeah, I enter AIS community and filtered at the top. Not Nate Herc's one, how to sell exactly what I want, how to sell N8N workflow. Hey guys, I just learned a bit of how to make N8N workflow. I see a lot of YouTubers saying this simple workflow is worth XXX dollar and can sell for XXX, but I really don't know how and where to sell. Is there a platform to sell workflow? A lot of workflow seems simple. How to persuade people to buy it? Exactly our target. So capture this, copy and paste here. Okay, we already get a one hidden gem through his community. They don't know how to sell and where to sell. How to sell and where to sell. Okay, let's find another gold mine. How to sell AI solution. Hey, I want to ask about selling AI solutions. Is when I sell AI solution to give the scenario to the clients or let her works for me. And when I do it, I do not do it. Thanks. I don't get you, man. Can you explain in detail? Right. Okay, I don't understand too. And we extract this kind of advertisement for their YouTube channel. We need a real client. And we were looking for as other keywords, no customer. How to sell is one of their problem. And we're gonna go to the Liam's community, one of the biggest community in school. How to sell, you know how to sell. Some people, they said they will become an AI agency. if we bring the people. This is a good idea for the first starting point. So this guy Morpheus have a problem getting client, right? And how to sell product with upgrades. He say upselling process. Some of them want to know upselling process. Here's a good idea. Hakon Pedersen. He say reverse engineering Upwork job description to understand how to sell AI workflow. This is a really good idea right now. So we get a 4 gold mine. Felicia say, I have created several GPTs and I want to know what is the setup to sell them. Should I set up a landing page or website with paid link? If someone wants to assist me with a plan of action on this, I will welcome any advice. Okay, she's our target. No idea how to sell or market myself. I've been out of work for a few months and have been skilling up on building AI tools and solutions. I'm finally ready to work with clients and create tool sheets, custom solutions with them, but have no idea how to establish myself in that space. I haven't really got a target niche. As a consultant, I've worked with all kinds of clients. Got it. How to positioning. AI agent, how to sell. Hello, fellow members. I'm working for a company that I'm moving into selling AI agent this month, but we'll still need figuring out the best way to sell an AI agent. Hey, dude, I can teach you. Does anyone have experience selling AI agents? We are also looking for partners where you get commissions for any sales we get from your current client based. If any of you are interested in partnership, any insight is highly appreciated. Thank you. Now we already get a few problems at our client, how and where to sell. And I built an AI automations and a voice agent system. If you got a client or leads but don't know how to deliver automations, so he have AI automation skill but doesn't know that how to sell AI services. How to sell product with upgrade. I focus this upselling method first. And how to sell ChatGPT. She asking landing pages, website or paid link. What should I need? You don't need anything before you're selling. How to sell? This Patterson way is really insightful. Just pick either Fiverr or Upwork and reverse engineering their job post. No idea how to sell or market myself. He asking positioning method. Yeah, that's it. And before we go, I will copy this whole image to my Claude project file, and I will just asking, I will make a challenge product for this target. My concept is simple, like not another courses. I force people to ship something profitable in 7 days. Even though they can't get a client, they can verify, validate their product is wrong. And what do you think? My base workflow is hypothesis, execution, and data. Multiply, iterate. We can do one cycle. This say 7-day execution squad. Give me a device to help that kind of people. I never spend over 1 hour at planning business. Okay, the problem you are solving is these aren't beginners. They are confident builders stuck in validate hell. They can create but can't sell. Perfect target for forced execution. So this is my 7-day structure. Okay, hypothesis, rapid build, execution blitz, 50 outreach attempt minimum per day. Door to door, and revision. Day 1, they don't need a perfect website. They just only need a Google document to explain their service to get it their first meeting. And day 3 to 5 execution minimum is 100 plus outreach email, cold emails, and 10 plus phone calls or door to door, and document every rejection as a call. And day 6 to 7 data or pivot decision. Perfect. And I will make a refundable deposit. $409.70 if they complete all assignment, full refund. Okay, this is perfect. Revision. Okay, now give me a service Service identification. 7-day AI revenue challenge. Not coaching, not education, pure accountability-driven action. Add a 7-day roadmap and do not make a complexity. Just be simple as much as possible. Keep it simple, as stupid as possible. Okay, pick a one document. Day 2, find the target, find 100 plus target, LinkedIn, Clay, Google, whatever works. Put emails or phone, spreadsheet, 100 plus contracts, cool. And day 5, 3 to 5 outreach blitz. And we will analyze data with us in our squad and decide do more outreach or try different service, different target or different niche. Why Clay over everything else? I could use Apollo like everyone else's, but Clay gives me something Apollo can't, actual intelligence about my prospects. Clay find an AI service provider and automation agencies and tech entrepreneurs who are actively struggling, not just anyone with an email booked. For example, I'm searching for people who've posted recently about monetization struggles. Clay enriches this with email, phone, recently activity. The key is filtering for high intent signal. I don't want 10,000 random emails. I want 300 people who are desperate for what I'm selling. Clay exports clean data, no garbage phone number, no invalidate emails. Quality over quantity. And here's a trick nobody talks about. Don't use Clay's AI services for email generation. That's expensive and unnecessary. Use Clay for data enrichment only and export everything to Airtable, then hit Claude API directly for customization. Same results, fraction of the cost. And I will share my manual method first and automate method second. You guys can click this link and then get a 3,000 credit. This is my referral link. So click here and sign up. Sign up with Google. Log in with your ID. Continue. Okay. Chris test workspace. Chris next. Google. Okay. Skip the video. Yes. Skip. I don't have enough customer. Click continue. Okay. We downloaded Clay. We are ready to use Clay, but we don't know how to use Clay. But don't worry. We have AI. AI is the best teacher, not your guru, right? Claude, now I will lead scrapping through clay.com and I have 2,000 credit. Give me lead scrapping method using Claude for my 7-day AI revenue challenge. I want to get a high quality leads through Clay. Give me step-by-step workflow. Okay, we'll scrapping this method. I already joined 3 to 5 communities with 500 active members. Identify target post, need help getting client, these keywords, and manual data collection first. Okay, we're gonna create new workbook, find people. Okay, there is 2 workflow, get their email. And first thing first, we'll make a manual method. All right, this is manual method. The first column is name, just a text. This column name is name and URL, school profile, post the content. We don't need a post date, and collect 200 prospects manually. Yeah, this is very not efficient way, but it works really well. Inside this AI automation agency hub, searching this cool. He is our target. Name is Brandon, school profile. And posted contents. This community name is AI Automation Agency Hub. That's it. This manual workflow do until 200. This is manual mining to get a client. I know, guys, this is quite boring stuff, boring process, but you can find their real problem in their complaint. Where to start? Or this is my first post. I've recently starting to deep dive into words of AI, blah, blah, blah. You can read their problem. Catherine, Lowe's, LinkedIn, Catherine, Kevin, Orion. Okay, they from the AI Automation Agency Hub. And we will scrap AI Automation Society. Support needed. Jackert. Alien. Okay, we do manually 21 leads scrapping. And then what we do right now is this table name is school AI prospect. We just use Clay's AI feature agency or AI related. Generate. They will be create more precise prompt. All right. Then save. Learn 21 lows. They will be find LinkedIn profile. These 21 peoples. All right. Clay find whole Liz LinkedIn profile. If someone's don't have a LinkedIn profile found, but we get a 15 LinkedIn profile, and then we'll find their personal email based on our table. Please find their personal email. Oh, their personal email. All right, save. Okay, they will find personal email. This is our manual prospects method, and I will show you automatically scrapping your leads from other platform. Like personalization, at first we'll start Airtable setup. Clay data goes into Airtable with these columns: lead status, email generation, subject line, and full email body. When I check that box, magic happens. N8N automatically kicks in. And N8N automation flow is really simple. Airtable checkbox checked and sent all prospect data to Claude 3.5 API. Result, fully customized email that sounds like I wrote it manually. And I already have proven cold email strategy. First line is icebreaker. Hi, your name, and so your post about blah, blah, blah. We already scrapping using Claude. Also building in AI space here in Vancouver. Credibility, I'm Chris, 40,000 YouTube subscriber. Just shut down my 50,000 months AI education business because I was tired to selling dream instead of results. This is credibility section. And value proposition. I explain execution squad and our value AI products in 7 days. And social proof, we already learned chickenshot.pro and we get a first client in 5 days. And there is free offer. Can I put you through the 7-day challenges for free? This is essential for free. Only requirement is small deposit that you get back when you complete all assignments. And softly close. I know this sounds aggressive, but I'm fairly confident we can get you your first AI service customer, or you can validate your hypothesis is wrong. Client don't lose anything. They have a 2 choice right now. First, get a first client, or validate their hypothesis is wrong. And let me know if you are ready to stop learning and start earning. Chris and my tagline. This is a winning protocol, and my email agent make a personalized email and send 100% deliverable rate. Now we'll use find people process. This is automatically to find your leads. First thing first, find people, job title, like a owner, partner, manager, head, director. Job function is AI, art and design, business development and engineering, human resource, IT, sales and research, personal service, marketing, legal. Okay. Job title, founder, CEO, developer, or there's no AI, marketer, marketing manager, general designer, web designer, product manager. Okay, next. Limit 300. If you don't know what do you feel, just copy and paste. Give this Claude to Claude. Computer and software. Software development, marketing, design, service, market research, online media, product. Okay. Company size will be under 50. Description keyword. Okay, perfect. Language, English. And we're gonna target under 10 people. That's the better way. Or self-employed. Perfect. This is better. And location is United English area. Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. All right. We'll, to recap our filtered. First, industry, IT, software, marketing, design, online media, business contents. And our company site should be self-employed. A description keyword, machine learning, SaaS, AI, automation, startups, tech tools, no code, low code, like a Webflow, Bubble, N8N, yes. And job title should be owner or founder, manager, header. It means decision maker. A job function, it should be everything, right? It should be every industry, I think. Yes. Job title to include this something. Yeah, location should be 5 country using English, United Kingdom, State, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Okay, and limit is 300. Next, we get their person detail, like a job title and company domain with professional post too, and summarize link and get a work email. That's it. Save and learn 10 lows and just waiting. We get a 300 lead list with their work email and their post like this. And I will send personalized email using this post. Action, export database, export to database, Airtable, create records. So just we use export CSV, waiting, and boom, we get this. And then go to the Airtable, build app on your own, add import CSV, browse files, find people, download this file. Okay, this is perfect, import. All right, now we get a tons of our lead, 300, their headline, summary, account summary, and work email. Before we go, to avoid error, I will only bring this table. We have their email, copy, duplicate table, duplicate record, name is email, and delete, don't have email parts. Right, we get a 220 emails for our customers, leads, and we're gonna make automation email process. First thing first, make a checkbox. Email generator, subject text, not a long text. Single line text, subject line, and long text, full email. Yeah, you're gonna done. And then we're gonna connect this Airtable to N8N with Claude. So first thing first, change buttons. All right, field name is generator. We need a URL, and our Claude make this formula. I don't know how to make a code, but Claude know that. Download the CSV. Please make a button formula to send my whole field, and then go to Claude, and then create workflow at Claude. Create a webhook. Copy this test URL and path immediately. All right, just send it. Okay, we get a URL formula. Go to our Airtable, click the button, copy and paste URL formula. This name is generator. Create field. Boom, it's working. And next, test it. Click the buttons. Workflow was started, and we get a whole data for our Airtable. Here, this query. Okay, next step, connect anamorphic message model. Research text, operation message model. Model from Claude 3.5 is enough. And our prompt, I already made this prompt, right? A personalized email using this template, structure, and data. And icebreaker, credibility, value proposition. Yeah, and write this simple as much as possible under 50 words. We'll check execute step. Hey, Anvin, I notice you are helping business revive that leads with AI plus SMS on a performance-based smart model. This is for essential. You only get paid the result. Okay, perfect. Customized email. Then plus, we'll add this, our Airtable update record. And base will be execution squad. Table is email. And then mapping our query here. ID using to match record ID. And first the full email like this. Okay. And subject line, quick question about company name. Quick question about ACG scale. Or full email like this. All right, perfect. And execute step. Boom. We get this email and this subject line. Perfect. And inactive this workflow. And we're going to change production URL at our generator. Here it is. Cool. Save and click a new buttons. And we're just waiting. Boom. Quick question about demand revenue LLC. Our full email is fully customized. Hey Alan, I noticed you're helping CMOs becomes indefensible and stop random acts of marketing. That's really resonated, especially with your experience turning around PE portfolio companies. Perfect. And we're gonna do work. Click the buttons. Automatically email created. This is whole customized. And then how can I send this email automatically? I'm going to teach you. Copy this email table, rename sent ready. All right. And this 12. Oh, sorry. Boom. Perfect. And then go to our Gmail. Let's start campaign setup. Airtable data upload directly to instantly. Just CSV exports. And our offer is really simple. Hypothesis, build, test data, repeat until profitable. Not a course and not a mastermind. A first execution involvement with one goal. Ship something that makes money in 7 days. And 100% free with refundable deposit. Complete all assignments. Get your money back. If and don't complete them, I keep the deposit. Skin in the game changes everything. We'll use Instantly AI, login, campaign, add new, squad, execution, squad. Continue, add leads, CSV file. In this video, I only tested this 12 people. Click the grid view, download the CSV, go to Instantly, click this CSV. And mapping your source. We get a first and last name. We don't need a full name, location, company domain, website, LinkedIn profile. Here, subject line, custom valuable. Subject line, pick question about ACG scale, and every email is different and fully customized email. Upload all. Okay. And then we'll make our subject variable. First is subject line, copy and paste there. And variable, our full email. We can see the preview right now. Pick question about Northern marketing. Hey, listen, I noticed you helping startups tell their stories as a practical CMO. Perfect. Email created, finally. And then we just save some campaign. Okay, we finished, sent email our whole leads using customized text. After setting up our Instantly email, this is most important part, is data analysis. The first thing is response tracking. I don't wait for perfect data. After 50 email sent, I can see patterns. After 100, I know what works. High response rate, scale immediately. Low response rate, kill the angle and try something else. Mixed results, A/B test until clarity emerge. And we have to handle response. When someone says yes, I don't send more email. I pick up the phone. When someone says maybe, I send them one follow-up with a deadline. When someone says no, I thank them and move on. And here's Pivot's point. If an AI service angle isn't working, I pivot to business coaching. If Vancouver location isn't resonating, I remove it. If the deposit requirements kills conversion, I test without it. This isn't about perfectionism, and this is about adaptation speed. Yeah, while everyone else is optimizing their funnels, I'm optimizing for action. While they are splitting test subject lines, I'm testing business model. The fastest way to validate an idea isn't market research. It's trying to sell it 300 people in 1 day. While you're watching this video, someone shipped a product. Someone made their first sale. Someone proved their hypothesis wrong and pivoted to something better. This week, I'm learning the Execution Squad Challenge for real, not hypothetically, not as a course, as forced action. You can watch me succeed or fail, or you can stop watching and start executing. One of us will accidentally make money. That's the difference between dreamers and doers. Ideas are worthless, execution is everything.